Hey, what's going on, everybody? If you're looking for a single level home, you should definitely check out the Willows here in Auburn, Washington by KB Homes. I'm actually over here right now and I'm going to showcase their model plan 1860, which is a single level home. This is a 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 1,860 square feet, just like the name. What's really cool about this home, some features. The driveway is extended, so a really nice long driveway, has a nice deck in the back. You have a nice den for additional entertainment, open concept feel. So definitely excited to, showcase this home and tour you guys around. This community is on the border of Kent. So Kent is literally, just a few minutes just up the road. And there, you do have Trader Joe's, you have LA Fitness, you have really great restaurants, Thai restaurants, Korean barbecue restaurants. Tarjay is up there as well. Costco is nearby in Covington. So this community is actually very nearby, all of that good stuff, okay? Again, I'm going to be showcasing the single level home. Before I do that, do me a favor. If you like to see new construction home tours or just home tours in general, both resale and new construction, definitely hit that like, subscribe, and notification button so you could, follow along with me and tour some of these Seattle communities and different homes. So stick around to the end of this video. I'm going to be talking about the HOA about this community. We'll talk about, accessibility. Again, we'll go over, recreational activities. So what is there to do around here? And then also grocery stores. And I'll go through all of that at the end of the video. Okay, guys. So with that being said, let's go ahead and tour around this floor plan 1860. Okay, so I'm at the end of the driveway here. As you can see, it is on a cul-de-sac, so this is really nice. Obviously, there's just a few more homes over here, so, really nice for the kids, very safe, for them to play around, go biking, all that good stuff. But really new community, guys, by KB Homes. On this side is phase one. So all of these homes you see that are being constructed, they are all spec homes, meaning that, the builder has already predetermined all the features within those homes. Right behind this, or right across the street, is phase two, which is already open. Those homes are more customizable, so there's different floor plans to choose from. I'll go over that at the end of this video. And they also have phase three, which is just on the other side of the hill there, over those homes. But again, we are touring this single level home. As I had mentioned, the cul-de-sac and also this extended driveway. So it's pretty long, so if you have additional cars, if you like to host parties, there's definitely a lot of parking space for everyone. And it's tucked away in the corner here. So really nice exterior. Each floor plan has 4 different exteriors, and I'll go ahead and I'll put that up on the screen for you. So if you decide to customize your home, you can choose, one of the 4 exteriors. Okay. Now each exterior does have a different price to those. So you have the base price, and then whatever elevation that you choose, that's going to be on top of your elevation. Okay. So KB Homes, they do landscaping. So this is like what they provide. So you have nice grass area, small little, plants here that is barked off as well. So that's really nice. Let's go ahead and go through the front door. Now, this is a move-in ready home, so if you're interested in this home, definitely leave a comment below. Let's get you in for a tour. What's really nice, you do have LVP flooring, and it's like that wood-like texture, so it has like this brown tone to it. Really nice long planks. Okay. As I said, again, 9-foot ceilings. Off to the right-hand side, you have 2 bedrooms and a full bath. So we'll go around here and start off with the first bedroom. Really good sized bedroom. I mean, realistically, you could put, a king in here. Queen would definitely fit very comfortably. And then you could put the 2 nightstands on, the side of the bed. But really good sized room. Okay, and this is the front of the house. Right in between the 2 bedrooms is the full bath. Here's your HVAC system. And then here's the other room. So they look to be fairly similar in size. And here's the closet. So that's really nice. Continuing down the foyer, you have a, let's see, a coat closet. Yep. And then off to the left-hand side, here is your laundry. So washer and dryer is provided. Check out the garage. And then here is the garage space. So really nice, large and open garage. Okay, you could definitely put some storage racks up above if you wanted to. More storage. And then here's like this den area. Okay, you have some little pockets here. Okay, if you want to put like floating shelves or, you know, nice plants there. Realistically, I'd put like a nice little seating area here. Probably put a, you know, entertainment system right here on this wall, but nice den. Okay, and that's right off of the laundry. So let's make our way to the kitchen, into the living space and dining area. So really nice quartz countertops here. Good size island as well, 3-seater island. Good sink. Now all the appliances does come with this home. So we just saw the laundry room, does come with a washer and dryer, refrigerator, gas cooktop, exposed hood. That's really nice. And then you have your microwave and oven stacked. All stainless steel appliances. Whirlpool is what it looks like. A lot of cabinets as well, about 42 inches. So that is really nice. Okay, so here's the main living space. Gas fireplace. And I believe this is the pantry. So decent, you know, smaller size pantry, but you know, the shelving is fairly longer. So, you know, it's decent. Dining table. So this is a 6-seater dining table, really still very spacious. So as you can see, the walkways here, it's not tight at all. Okay, they even have this nice cabinetry right here off of the dining table, and you can still walk around the dining table pretty freely. So that's really good. We'll go take a look on the outside. You do have a nice deck there, but right off of the dining table is your primary. So a lot of privacy here. You know, you do have your two just right off of the front door, the 2 bedrooms, and then you have your primary just off of the dining. So here is your primary bedroom. Okay, making our way to the primary bath. You do have a shower soaking tub combination, double sinks. Here is your walk-in pantry. Pretty good size walk-in pantry here. All your cables would go right there. And then here's the toilet area. Okay. All right, so let's go outside. They're doing some landscaping out there, so sorry if it's a little loud. But you do have a decent sized deck. Okay, you got a heat pump right here. Decent sized yard as well. And this road right here is 124th. So, I mean, it's nothing too crazy. It's not really that busy at all. Okay, road noise is just your typical road noise, but you know, it's nothing that will, you know, just be a distraction. And when you're inside your house, you can hardly hear it, but really good sized backyard. Okay, so that was the floor plan, guys. Now let's go ahead and talk about, the HOA and all that good stuff. All right, so that was a model 1860 floor plan. KB Homes, if you're ever wondering what the square footage of any home is, the square footage is the plan name. So this floor plan is 1860. That's how big the square footage is, okay? Just a heads up. So the HOA in this community, you're looking about $100 a month, and that covers your common area maintenance. There's going to be a park here as well. So that's what that $100 cover. The build out times for this community. So let's say if you wanted to customize your own home, you're looking at about 7 to 9 months build out time. So if you get in contract right now, you're looking at about winter time. Okay. Also, you guys need to also keep in mind the price that you see online. That is just the base price. Okay. So remember when I talked about the elevations in the beginning? The elevations does play a role onto the purchase price. Okay, not only that, your upgrades and also your lot premiums. So you consider the base price, the elevation that you choose exterior. Okay, you also upgrades and also the lot premiums. That is your final sales price. Okay, guys. So that number that you see online, that's not what the home is going for, unless it is a move-in ready home such as this one. This home, this price that you see online is what is going for with everything already included. Okay, so I believe this home is just over $724,000. Okay, now if you do base price, now let's say if you decide to customize, it's actually more if you do decide to go with the customized route, because the base price is 749,000, about 750 for the base price. Okay. So, with that being said, KB Homes is offering $5,000 for buyers incentives. Okay, KB Homes does a pretty good job on making the prices a little bit more affordable than some of these other builders. Okay, so that's $5,000. You could put that towards your closing costs, so that should help out a lot. And that's only if you go with their preferred lender. Okay, keep that in mind. You only get the best incentives or any incentives from the builder if you use their preferred lender. Okay, guys. Again, this is phase one. This is where this home is located. Phase two is open. There's plenty of lots there that you could choose from. They're also building some spec homes there as well. So obviously, from what you see from this home, the builder does a great job in choosing the finishes. And that's lots number 1 through 8. I believe that's going to be spec homes. Okay. Phase three is yet to be opened. Okay, so phase two, I believe they're just breaking ground, so that's not going to be for a while. So with that being said, this community, like I had mentioned in the beginning, is in Auburn. Okay, but you're on the border of Kent as well. So you're actually just 10 minutes or less to the Lake Meridian kind of town center up there, where Trader Joe's is, LA Fitness is. They have a really great Korean barbecue spot. If you love Thai food's over there as well. But really great restaurants over there, gyms, and also your grocery. Okay, Target is right up the street as well in Kent, and that's only a few minutes away as well. I believe like 10 minutes also. Now, when you go up to Kent Kangley Road, if you hang a right, that will take you all the way down to Covington, in which you are close to Costco as well. And as far as accessibility goes, you have Highway 18. So Highway 18 is very nearby. You take Highway 18 all the way down. You could take that to Federal Way. You could take that and hop on 167 and go to Puyallup or Edgewood. Or you could hop on the I-5 and go to Tacoma, or you could go down to Seattle. So as far as accessibility goes, this community is very nearby Highway 18. And also Kent Station has the Sound Transit Center. So if you want to take the train, or if you have one of those, train passes, Kent Station is very nearby as well, which, is another whole entertainment area with your restaurants and your movie theaters. And so, yeah, this community is very convenient, guys. So if you're looking for a great community, if you're looking for really nice homes, a good builder too, you should definitely check out the Willows. Definitely feel free to reach out to me. Make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and notification button, and so you can see other home tours with different builders as well. But yeah, with that being said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next tour. Bye.